Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how the framework for the horizontal stabilizer was assembled. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any details of the build that you would like to see. And please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching.